we have been accepted as the principal opposition in the 18th West Bengal Legislative Assembly.
In a dramatic escalation of crisis within the Trinamool Congress, expelled MLA Ritabrata Banerjee has dealt a direct blow to the party's leadership. Hours after arriving at the West Bengal Assembly claiming the support of 59 Trinamool MLAs for the post of Leader of Opposition, Banerjee's claim was accepted by Speaker Rathendra Bose. The Speaker has now formally handed over the keys Leader of Opposition's office to Ritabrata Banerjee. The move is being seen as an open challenge to TMC chief Mamata Banerjee, who had earlier backed veteran leaders like Shobhandev Chattopadhyay for the position. The rebel camp has submitted a letter to the Speaker, notably on a plain white pad and not on the party's official letterhead. The letter names Mamata Banerjee as the party leader, Ritabrata Banerjee as the leader of opposition, and Shuli Shah, Javed Khan, Sandeepan Saha and Sabina Yasin as deputy leaders in the House. The development signals a deepening power struggle within the Trinamool Congress, which currently holds 80 seats in the 294-member West Bengal Assembly.
There is no place in I in this two-thirds strong legislative team of the Trinamool Congress inside the 18th West Bengal Legislative Assembly. This legislative party doesn't believe in I, it believes in we. Whatever norms are framed out, we have followed every norms, and that's why we have been accepted as the principal opposition in this 18th West Bengal Legislative Assembly. This is I am categorically telling you, I have inside also told you, we want Mamata Banerjee to be our chief advisor, to give us advices that will help us in strengthening our position as an opposition. As far as the West Bengal State Legislative Assembly is concerned, only this, which has been given, the Speaker has accepted that. So the point is that two-thirds of the members, 80 members were elected in Trinamool Congress symbol. Two-thirds of them, more than two-thirds of them, has given our claim, and the claim has been accepted.
Ritabrata Banerjee, one of the two Trinamool Congress MLAs expelled for alleged anti-party activities, was once considered one of CPIM's brightest young leaders and a future face of the left. When the signs of growing unrest within the Trinamool Congress became visible after the assembly election result, Ritabrata found himself in the middle of it all. On May 6th, 71 of party's 80 MLAs attended a meeting at Mamata Banerjee's residence. By May 19, the number had fallen to 65, and by May 31st, only 20 MLAs were present. The crisis deepened when Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari announced that Ritabrata Banerjee and fellow TMC MLA Sandeepan Saha had approached Assembly Speaker Rathendra Bose, alleging that their signatures had been forged on a party communication naming the leader of the opposition. Soon after, Trinamool Congress expelled Ritabrata Banerjee, the MLA from Uluberia Purba, and Sandeepan Saha, the MLA from Entali, citing anti-party activities.
আগে সিপিএম দল করত, নীতিহীন একজন। আমাদের ভুল হয়েছে তাকে টিকিট দেওয়া, পায়ে পড়েছিল এসে। সেদিন বাঁচানো সিপিএম ঠিক করেছিল। অন্তত এই একটা ক্ষেত্রে তাদের আমি অ্যাপ্রিশিয়েট করি, ওকে তাড়িয়ে দিয়ে। তা সত্ত্বেও আমরা তাকে দুবার সংসদে জিতিয়েছি। অন্য লোকের টিকিট কেটে তাকে হাওড়ায় দাঁড় করানো হয়েছে। আজকে তাদের কাছে আমি ক্ষমা চাইছি হাত জোর করে, যে আমরা আপনাদের সাথে এরা বিশ্বাসঘাতকতা করলো, এদের আমরা ক্ষমা করিনি। আজকে দুজনকে আমরা অলরেডি দল থেকে এক্সপেল করে দিয়েছি, বহিষ্কার করে দিয়েছি, যারা রোজ গিয়ে বিজেপিকে মিট করছে এবং বিজেপির কথা মতো সবাইকে ডেকে ভয় দেখাচ্ছে।
ममता बनर्जी असली तृणमूल है। ममता बनर्जी जिसने तृणमूल कांग्रेस को जन्म दिया, तृणमूल कांग्रेस का माँ जो है वही असली तृणमूल कांग्रेस है।